Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today. In Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen because we're always doing something new. So in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we're gonna cook curry goat. So one of my subscribers they want to see me cook curry goat, so we're gonna cook curry goat today. So this is all the season we're gonna use today for the curry goat. So we have 2 tablespoons of curry we're gonna use. We have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose season. We have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. We have 1 large onion. We have 2 carrots. We have 2 potato. We have half a green bell pepper, half a red bell pepper, half a orange bell pepper. We have 1 stalk of spring onion, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 4 cloves of garlic, a piece of ginger, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So this is the goat we're going to use. We already washed the goat already. We already cleaned up the goat already. So we have 2 kilo of goat we're going to use today, people. So in Selvin Kitchen today, we're going to cook curry goat. So thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. Thank you to share the videos them. Please give me a thumbs up for the videos, and when you guys watching the videos them and you like them, give me a thumbs up. Send me a comment. So in Selvin Kitchen today guys, we're going to cook curry goat. So hi guys, so now I'm just gonna mix up the garlic powder, the onion powder, the salt and the all-purpose. So I'm gonna use this to season up the goat and leave it to marinate for around 1 hour. So just mix it up like that. I wanna mix in everything. So that's gonna sprinkle all over it. So what you want to get down in it, you want to give this a nice rub that is seasoned right down into the goat to marinate it properly. So you want to mix up everything nicely. Yes people, today in Selvin Kitchen, we're going to cook curry goat, people. So I ain't gonna put the curry in this. I'm gonna burn off my curry separate. So a lot of people cook curry goat different way. This is my way. So I'm gonna mix up a lot of all-purpose of garlic, the onion powder. So now I'm just gonna leave this to marinate. For 1 hour. So hi guys, so now I'm just gonna add in the oil because it's gonna burn off the curry. So add in the oil in the pot. Yeah, you want to get all of that oil out. Just gonna add in the curry. Yes people, so this add in the oil and this add in the curry. So it's gonna mix it around because I want my curry to brown off first, and then I put in my goat. So make this brown off for around 2 minutes. So the goat over here have been marinated for the last 1 hour. Put on a clean film over it. Hi guys, so my curry have been brown off, so now I'm just gonna add in the onion. Garlic, ginger, So now it's gonna add in the goat now. And give it a nice stir. So you want to mix in a lot of curry, a lot of garlic, that ginger, that onion, that spring onion. You don't want to put too much curry in it because you don't want a green curry. Okay, see the color is changing, people? Give that a nice mix. So you want all of that curry to mix up in a bit. That's it. Hi guys, so this is the goat, guys. It's coming along nicely. Look at that. I have a pot over there with some rice and peas. I'll make a video so you guys can check out my rest of the channel and the channel to watch my rest of the video. So you can I make a video with rice and peas already, so you guys can view it and tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up for the video. So this is it, people. It's coming along nicely, guys. So now I'm gonna have some goat soup to it. I'm just gonna sieve it. I don't want the noodle in it. I just want the powder. That's that. Give it a stir. Oh, people, you want to smell this curry, I'm telling you. Sorry for the steam, guy. Hi guys, look at that, people. It's been cooking for the last 45 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in the bell pepper. Get that out of the way. Add in the spring onion. Add in the carrot and the potato. Give that a nice mix. And beautiful color of that curry goat, people. Wow, this is a lot of curry goat. Thank you guys for watching Selvin Kitchen videos then. Keep on sharing the video with your friends and family. And please give me a thumbs up. Selvin Kitchen, we have a lot more recipe coming out, people. You want to look at this curry goat, you want to taste it, guys. So I'm gonna give that another 20 minutes. And people. Alright guys, look at that. So put in the carrot, the bell pepper, and the spring onion, and the potato. That's the last thing I put in. And look at that, people, it's coming down nicely. I'm gonna give this another 5 minutes. Have some broccoli over here what I'm steaming with some mixed vegetable. Some rice and peas over here. As I said before, I do a video with rice and peas. You guys can check out my channel for the videos them. I have a lot of awesome delicious recipe there, so check it out. Please give me a thumbs up for the videos then. Sorry for the stain, people. Beautiful. Hi guys, this is all finished. Look at that, people. This is the curried goat. So that my YouTube fans who send me that request, say you want to see me cook curried goat, this is for you, my fan. This is for all my YouTube fans them. So in Selvin Kitchen, we're always doing something new. Kind of people. So I don't let it dry out too much because I need a little bit of gravy in it. So I just keep it like that. I just slow cook it in this pot. So I didn't put it in the pressure cooker. So now I'm just going to share out some of that for dinner. Thank you guys for watching Selvin Kitchen videos then. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Kind of people. Curry goat. Hi guys, so this is all finished. Look at it. This is my curry goat. I serve it with some rice and peas, some broccoli, some mixed vegetable. I do a video already, guys, as I said before on my channel. If you check it out, the rest of my videos them, I do a video with rice and peas recipe, so please check it out. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. And that people, curry goat and serve with rice and peas. Beautiful. So thank you guys to watching Selvin Kitchen videos them. And guys, please keep safe. Selvin Kitchen, we see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.